This is Murray and what he represents, the Heisman Trophy winner last year. Guys, here we go. First glimpses of the first overall pick.
Well, you saw the 4,000 yards passing. He also rushed for 1,000 yards. So it's a dual threat. The question is, will he be able to see? He's only 5'10", or at least that's what they list him at. And we know that's always a lie, right?
And let's keep in mind, this is an offense that Kyler Murray has been running since his junior high school days, so he's well familiar with this offense.
Nice throw on the play. It's a pickup of 6 in yards allowed in the NFL. 3rd and 3 from the 9. Murray from the gun. The pass is complete. This will be a first down catch for the Cardinals. A pickup of 8. So 2 throws, 2 receptions. Trent Sherfield.
Coach in his ears, he goes to the line of scrimmage and looks at the defense.
Murray once again from the gun. Fakes the give to Johnson. Going to throw it on the run, and he completes on the 2nd and 2nd pass. That Sherfield again, a pickup of 8 yards.
Pressure is on.
A lot of pressure on both of those men, Kingsbury and Murray. As we get our first look again, this is Johnson. Johnson, of course, missing basically the entire 17.
Yeah, and watch the center. This is A.Q. Shipley. And look at the versatilities. He gets a key block right there on Kaiser White. And that allows Johnson to get up.
Come in for David Johnson. Murray slinging far side of the field. That is Sherfield again. It's Jameer Bird on the reception. As they've got a fresh set of downs. Another one here. The great Larry Fitzgerald, who is getting himself ready for year 6.
That play tells you about the speed of this Chargers defense now.
Murray able to elude the first tackle. Throw into the run, and he completes again. That's Keyshawn Johnson. Markers are thrown behind the play.
Keyshawn was out of bounds. He came back in and caught the ball. Both officials right on the spot. This is what's going to excite a lot of Cardinal fans, is the ability to get out of the pocket on the run.
The penalty is a loss of down. It brings up 3rd down.
On a 40. Where does Murray go here on 3rd down? Heavy pressure, never had a chance. They dump him down for the sack. It's a loss of 5 yards.